Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable offer in compromise readiness with Tax Defense Network, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable offer in compromise readiness with Tax Defense Network, start by familiarizing yourself with an offer in compromise is an agreement with the IRS that allows you to settle your tax debt for less than the full amount owed. Begin by gathering all your financial information. This includes your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Make sure to collect your recent pay stubs, bank statements, and tax returns for the past few years. Next, assess your eligibility for the offer in compromise program. To qualify, you must demonstrate that paying your full tax liability would create a financial hardship. Use IRS Form 656 to initiate the process. Fill out this form carefully, ensuring that all information is accurate and complete. Then, you'll need to compile the supporting documentation required by the IRS. This may include Form 433A for individuals or Form 433B for businesses. It's crucial to provide detailed financial statements to justify your offer. Once you have completed the forms and gathered all necessary documents, calculate your reasonable collection potential. This is the amount the IRS believes it can collect from you over a specified period. Decide on the amount you wish to offer. Ensure that this amount is within the allowable range based on your financial analysis. Submit your offer along with the application fee and any required initial payment. After submission, monitor your application status regularly. Be prepared for the possibility of the IRS requesting additional information. You may need to respond promptly to any inquiries to ensure your offer does not get rejected. Once the IRS has reviewed your offer, they'll notify you of their decision. If accepted, you'll receive instructions on repayment terms. If denied, review their reasons and consider whether to appeal or explore other options. Throughout this process, working with Tax Defense Network can provide expert guidance and support. They can help you navigate complexities and improve your chances of success. Be prepared to communicate openly with your tax professional. This will help ensure that all aspects of your financial situation are considered. Finally, remember that patience is crucial during this process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.